Hi everyone, Sean here from BC's Used Car Dealer of the Year, BCS Auto Sales. Thank you for checking out our vehicles online. We do appreciate that. Today I'm test driving a rare find to the dealership, a 2015 Mazda 5 crossover minivan. Capable of carrying 6 people very comfortably. This one does come with a full independent vehicle inspection, a free Carfax history report. It's locally driven and fully serviced. Perfect for any family on the go, maybe a comfortable commute or a weekend adventure. This one's going to take you there. It also has full Bluetooth communication as well, climate controlled cabin, and of course remote keyless entry. Whatever you're driving, if it's no longer taking you where you want to go, hey, now is the perfect time to update your vehicle. Trade values have never been higher, so please let us make you an offer. At BCS Auto Sales, we offer easy financing with specials that include no money down, no payments for 6 months, and you can even get up to $10,000 cash back, OAC. Hey, there's only one, BCS Auto Sales, your used car dealer of the year, 7 years in a row. Thank you for that. And without further ado, here is the 2015 Mazda 5. This has to be one of the cleanest Mazda 5s we have seen at the dealership. Well cared for, fully serviced, and low in mileage. This one's ready for immediate delivery. So pretty much no matter where you are in the province, if you can't come to us, we can easily get this to your home or place of business. Very nicely equipped. You can see a beautiful alloy wheel package, all season mud and snow rated tires. The roof racks are ready for any of your accessories. Deep tinted windows for that extra level of privacy, but it's also going to keep the vehicle cooler on those warmer days. Comfortable seating for 6 in total, dual sliding side doors. And just check out this interior. And the rear seats are currently stowed, but there's 2 there. Venting as well in the back. Beautifully contoured seats. Leather wrapped steering wheel with audio control, cellular communication, and cruise control. Here we have enhanced traction control for extra stability in poor driving conditions. Nice size driver information system. Beautiful stereo. USB and auxiliary inputs as well. An automated climate control system. Easy to drive automatic transmission, but you have the option to shift manually as well. And of course you've got some power supply down here as well. Fuel efficient, easy to drive, versatile, and super clean. Located in South Vancouver, same location since 1985, we have helped out thousands of clients get their perfect vehicle. Rest assured we can easily help you with your motoring needs. All you have to do is give us a call, let us know when to expect you, and we'll have this one ready for a personal test drive. It's always toll free at 1-800-261-3363. Hey, thanks again for watching and have a great day.